In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a reservation in the Airbnb app in 26 step by step. If your travel plans have changed and you need to move your stay to different dates, Airbnb makes the process fairly straightforward right from the app. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can submit the change properly and understand what happens next. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using the account where the reservation was originally booked because that's where your trip details will appear. Once you're in the app, tap on Trips. This is where Airbnb stores your current and upcoming bookings. From there, select the reservation that you want to reschedule. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct trip, especially if you have more than one booking listed. After opening the reservation, tap Change Reservation. This option allows you to request modifications to your existing booking instead of canceling and starting over, which is helpful if you simply need different travel dates. Next, choose Change Dates. This will bring up the calendar so you can pick your new check-in and check-out dates. Carefully select the dates you want and double-check them before moving forward. It's a good idea to make sure the length of stay matches what you need, since changing the dates can also affect availability and pricing. After you choose the new dates, review the updated reservation details. Airbnb will usually show you the new total price and any changes related to your stay. This is an important step because the cost may go up or down depending on the new dates, local demand, or the host's pricing settings. If everything looks correct, tap Submit Request to send the date change request to your host. In many cases, the host will need to review and approve the change before it becomes final, so keep an eye on your notifications in the app. Once the host responds, wait for approval if it's required. If your request is accepted, you may need to complete an additional payment if the new dates cost more. If the updated reservation costs less, you may receive a refund, depending on the adjustment shown in the app. After the request is confirmed, your reservation will be updated with the new travel dates. At that point, you can go back into your trip details and verify that everything looks right. And that's how to reschedule a reservation in the Airbnb app.